Conversation 1. Asking about job openings.
Good morning. My name is Maria Gomez. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
Good morning, Maria. Not at all. How can I help you today?
I was passing by and saw your company sign. I've heard good things about your work. I wanted to ask if there are any job openings at the moment.
I see. Well, we do have a few positions available. Could you tell me what kind of work you're looking for?
I'm interested in office work or administrative positions. I have experience as an office assistant and customer service representative.
That's good to know. We currently have an opening for an administrative assistant. The job involves answering phone calls, preparing documents, and helping with scheduling meetings.
That sounds like something I could do. Is the position full-time or part-time?
It's a full-time position, Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And where should I apply? Should I bring my CV here or apply online?
You can do either, but it's faster if you apply online through our careers page. You'll find the job description and the application form there.
Thank you. I will do that. May I also leave my CV with you now just in case?
Of course. I'll give it to our HR department today.
Great. Do you know what skills the company is looking for in this role?
Yes. They are looking for someone with good computer skills, especially in Word and Excel, and someone who can communicate well with clients and co-workers.
I have those skills. I also speak Spanish and English, which might help with clients.
That's excellent. We have many Spanish-speaking clients, so bilingual skills are a big plus.
That's good to hear. Could you tell me when they might start interviews?
I believe HR will start calling people for interviews next week.
Perfect. I'll submit my online application today.
That's a good idea. And make sure to attach a cover letter so they know more about you.
Thank you for the advice. You've been very kind.
You're welcome. I hope you get the job.
Me too. Have a nice day.
You too, Maria. Goodbye.
Conversation 2. Requesting a reference.
Hi, John. It's Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I wanted to ask you something important.
Sure. What is it?
I'm applying for a new job, and I was wondering if you could write me a reference letter.
Of course, Emma. I'd be happy to do that for you.
Really? Thank you so much. I know you're busy.
It's no problem at all. You've always been a great colleague, and I'd be glad to help.
That means a lot to me.
Can you send me your updated CV so I have all your latest information?
Yes, of course. Should I also send the job description?
Yes, please. If I know what kind of role you're applying for, I can make the letter more specific.
Okay, I'll email both to you today.
Perfect. When is the deadline for the letter?
The company needs it by next Monday. That gives us about a week.
That's fine. I'll make sure to finish it a few days before, just in case.
Thank you, John. You've always been so supportive.
Well, you've always been a hard worker, Emma. I have plenty of good things to say about you.
I hope so.
Oh yes, definitely. I remember the time you handled that big project last year. That will look great in the letter.
That was a challenging project, but I'm glad it turned out well.
Exactly. I can mention your problem-solving skills and teamwork.
That would be great. The job I'm applying for also values leadership and communication skills.
Good to know. I'll include examples that show both.
Thank you. It will really help my application.
Are you excited about this new opportunity?
Yes, I am. It's a position as a marketing coordinator at a company I admire.
That sounds perfect for you. You've always been great at organizing campaigns.
Thanks, John. Coming from you, that means a lot.
I'm sure you'll do well in the interview too.
I hope so. I'll send the CV and job description tonight.
Great. I'll start drafting the letter tomorrow.
Thank you again for helping me.
You're very welcome. I'm happy to help.
I'll let you know when I hear back from the company.
Please do. I'll be waiting for good news.
All right. Have a nice day, John.
You too, Emma. Talk soon.
Conversation 3. Salary negotiation.
Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you for meeting with me.
We'd like to offer you the job.
That's great news.
The starting salary is $50,000 per year.
Thank you for the offer. I'm excited about this role, but I was hoping for $55,000.
I see. Why do you feel $55,000 is fair?
I have 5 years of experience. I've led teams and managed big projects. I also have 2 extra certifications.
Those are good points. Our budget is $50,000, but I can check if we have flexibility.
I appreciate that. I believe I can add value quickly.
If we can't reach $55,000, would you consider a smaller raise plus benefits?
Yes, I would. Can you tell me about the benefits?
We offer health insurance. We have a retirement plan, paid vacation days, and training opportunities.
That sounds good. Would you also offer a salary review?
We could do a review after 6 months.
Okay. If the salary could be $53,000 and the 6-month review is in writing, I'd accept.
Let me check. I spoke with HR. We can do $53,000 and the 6-month review.
That's great news. Thank you for working with me.
We want you to feel valued. Are you ready to accept?
Yes, I accept. I'm happy to join the team.
Excellent. I'll send the offer letter today.
Thank you again for the opportunity.
And thank you for being professional.
I think it's important to be clear and polite.
I agree. Welcome to the company.
I'm looking forward to starting.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Conversation 4. Asking for a promotion.
Good morning, Miss Thompson. Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Good morning, David. Of course. Have a seat.
Thank you. I wanted to discuss my role in the company.
Sure. What's on your mind?
I've been with the company for 3 years. During this time, I've taken on additional responsibilities. I've led new projects and trained junior staff.
I've noticed your work, David. You've been doing well. You've handled your tasks efficiently.
Thank you. I enjoy my work here. I feel ready for more responsibility. I'd like to discuss the possibility of a promotion.
I appreciate your initiative. You've shown growth and dedication.
I believe I can contribute even more in a higher role. It would motivate me further to help the team succeed.
That makes sense. Let's schedule a meeting next week to review your performance in detail.
That sounds great. I can prepare a list of my achievements and projects.
Excellent idea. Bring any supporting documents or reports. This will help us evaluate your readiness for promotion.
I will do that. I really appreciate your time and guidance.
You're welcome, David. I value your contributions and want to make sure you are recognized.
Thank you. I'm glad to hear that. I promise not to take up too much of your time next week.
Don't worry, we'll make it productive. I look forward to reviewing your progress.
I look forward to it too. Thank you again for your support.
You're welcome. Keep up the great work.
I will. Have a good day, Miss Thompson.
You too, David. See you next week.
Conversation 5. Job details and training.
Good morning. Thank you for meeting me today.
Good morning. It's my pleasure. Have a seat.
I'm very interested in the position. Could you tell me more about the training provided for this role?
Of course. We have a 2-week onboarding program. It covers company policies, software tools, and client communication.
That sounds helpful. Will there be hands-on practice during the training?
Yes, candidates work on small projects. This helps them get real experience before working independently.
That's great. Are there any mentors assigned during the training?
Yes, each new employee gets a mentor. They guide you and answer any questions.
That's very reassuring. I always have lots of questions at the beginning.
Don't worry, that's normal. Our mentors are used to it.
And after the training, how is performance evaluated?
At the end of the program, we review your work on projects. We also ask for feedback from your mentor.
That makes sense. How long does it take to become fully independent in this role?
Usually about 1 to 2 months, but it depends on the person. Some adapt faster.
I think I could learn quickly. I'm very motivated to do well.
That's good to hear. Motivation is important. We also provide ongoing training after the onboarding period.
That's great. I like learning new skills. Will there be any group activities or team meetings during training?
Yes, you'll meet your team and work on team projects. This helps you get to know colleagues and understand workflows.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions about the role or training?
Not at the moment. I feel very clear now. I'm even more excited about joining your company.
That's great to hear. We look forward to seeing your application.
Thank you again for your time.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Conversation 6. Resigning from a job.
Good morning, Mr. Adams. Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Good morning, Lisa. Of course. Come in.
Thank you. I wanted to speak about my position here.
Okay, what's on your mind?
I've really enjoyed working here, but I've decided to accept another opportunity.
Oh, I see. May I ask why you're leaving?
I've been offered a role that aligns closely with my career goals. It's a difficult decision, but I feel it's the right step for me.
I understand. We're sorry to see you go.
I appreciate that. Here's my resignation letter. It includes my notice period.
Thank you, Lisa. I will review this. You've been a great team member.
Thank you, Mr. Adams. I've learned a lot here. I'm especially grateful for your guidance and support.
It's been a pleasure having you. Your contributions will be remembered.
I'll make sure to complete all my tasks and help with the transition. I want to leave things in good order.
That's very professional of you. We'll make the transition smooth for you and the team.
Thank you. That means a lot. I hope to stay in touch even after I leave.
Absolutely. You're always welcome here. I wish you the best in your new role.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support.
You'll do great, Lisa. Keep us updated on your progress.
I will. Thank you again for everything.
Take care, Lisa, and good luck.
Goodbye, Mr. Adams.
Goodbye, Lisa.